Is your smile something you try to hide? Well, now you can have a stunning, permanently white smile with Lumineers. Pain-free Lumineers are ultra-thin veneers made of special patented porcelain that transforms your entire appearance, yet looks completely natural. Old-fashioned veneers require your natural teeth to be permanently ground down to stumps to hold them. But ultra-thin Lumineers don't require any grinding, drilling, or shots. They simply attach to your natural teeth. There's no pain. You could have a permanently white, perfect smile even if you have dental problems. Lumineers can give you a healthy-looking smile.
Pain-free Lumineers can be fitted in just 2 visits, and they look completely natural.
Call toll-free or go online and learn how to get your very own free digital smile makeover. A set of before and after photos that show just how dazzling your smile could be. We'll also send you this free information kit. Get a healthy, natural, permanently white smile with Lumineers.